Welcome to Home of Math. Factorization Practice Algebraic Expression Part 3 Exercise 3.3. This video we are going to solve 17 to 20. Let's start. Number 17. 3a square plus 2a whole square minus 22a square plus 2a plus 40. Look, here is some constant and some common thing. Common thing is a square plus 2a and a square plus 2a. Right, like let a square plus 2a equals to x, right? So 3x square minus 22x plus 40. So this 3 and this 40, once we make product, it will become 120. And we have to make this one minus 22 by subtraction or addition two numbers. So this is very simple. 12 times 10 equals to 120, and also once we make addition it will become 22. Therefore we can write like 3x square minus 12x minus 10x plus 40. So minus 12x and minus 10x, it will become 22, and 12 and times 10, it will become 120. So now here we can take common 3x. So here is x minus 4, and here we can take common minus 10, again x minus 4, right? Then x minus 4 we can take common. So here is a 3x minus 10. So we know x equals to a square plus 2a. So we can write a square plus 2a minus 4, right? And here 3x means a square plus 2a, and here is minus 10. Finally our answer is a square plus 2a minus 4, and here is a 3a square plus 6a minus 10, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. So this is good thing. If you keep something like a square plus 2a, you are considering x, and this is the best way. First we make middle term factor and exchange the value of x. So number 17 done. Now number 18. Number 18. A minus 1 times x square plus a square xy plus a plus 1 times y square. So let a minus 1 equals to m and a plus 1 equals to n. Why? Because we have to find out the factorization smoothly. So now look, here is a square. So for this a square we need something. Once we multiply both equation or both thing, we will get a plus 1 times a minus 1 equals to mn, right? So we can write a square minus 1 equals to mn. Now a square equals to mn plus 1. Look, so regarding this a minus 1, we can write m, and here is x square, plus this a square we can write mn plus 1, and here is xy, and finally this a plus 1 is a n, so ny square. Now this is mx square plus mnxy plus xy plus ny square, right? Now look, what is the common thing in here? This is m, this is x square, it means x, and here is also m, and here is x, and here is only y, right? Here is only y. So now what can we do? Here we can take common mx. So here is x square, we can write here is x plus this m out, this x out, so here is ny plus here is common thing is y, so here is x plus ny. Look, this one and this one now we can take common, so x plus ny, and here is mx plus y, right? Now we can put the value of this. X is a x plus n means a plus 1, a plus 1, and here is y. Again m means a minus 1, a minus 1, and here is x plus y is a y. Now look, this one is x plus ay plus y, and here is ax minus x plus y, and this is our answer. So I hope you clear this one, and it's an important math for examination, especially class 9, 10, SSC, IGCSE and SAT examination. So number 18 done. Now we will start number 19. Number 19, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. So this one, look, it's here is a x cube, here is a x square, and here is x. It's looking like a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. How? Look, here is a cube, we can write x cube, plus here is a 3, we can write 3, then a square, it means x square, then here is a b, but we don't know what is b, so we can multiply by 1. So 3 times x square times 1, it will become 3x square, plus here is a 3, we can write 3, here is a means x, times here is a b square, it means 1 square. So 3 times x times 1 square means 1, so here is a 3x, plus b cube, so we already understand b means 1, so 1 cube. Look, here is a 1 cube, but here is a 2, so we can add 1, right? So total thing, this one will become x plus 1 whole cube, plus this one we can write cube. So this is the rule of a plus b whole cube. Now look, this is the factorization, so a cube plus b cube, we know another theory, a cube plus b cube, it means a plus b times a square plus ab, plus not here is minus ab plus b square. So this is a and this is a b, so first a plus b, it means x plus 1 plus 1, right? Then times a square means what? Means x plus 1 square, minus ab, minus a means x plus 1, b means 1, plus b square means 1 square, right? So this one is x plus 2, and here is we can write x square plus 2x plus 1, and here is minus x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here is x plus 2, and here is x square plus 2x minus x, it means plus x plus 1 minus 1 out, and here is plus 1. So this is our answer. So for factorization we are already solving 17, 18 and 19, and our last video is 20. Let's start. If you understand number 19, you will also solve number 20. Here is mentioned a cube minus 6a square plus 12a minus 9. Look, this is also looking a minus b whole cube theory. It means a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So let's implement a cube. Here is also a cube, we can write this one minus, then 3a square b, 3, then a means here is also a, it's a square times b. So b we knew 2 because 3 times 2 is a 6, and here is x square, plus 3ab square. 3a means a, b means 2 square. Look, 2 square means 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, and here is a minus b cube means 2 cube. 2 cube means 8, here is a minus 9, so we can write another minus 1. So minus 8 and minus 1, minus 8 minus 1 become minus 9, right? Next, this one we can write a minus 2 whole cube, right? And here is a minus 1, also we can write 1 cube. So this one also looking a cube minus b cube. What is the theory? We can write a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this one also similar. First a minus 2 minus 1, it means a minus b, then a square means a minus 2 whole square plus ab. ab means a means 2, b means 1, and then what? Plus b square, it means plus 1 square. So here is a minus 3, and here is a square minus 2 times a times 2 plus 2 square, plus here is a minus 2 plus 1, right? Then a minus 3, this one become a square minus 4a plus 4 plus a minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so here is a minus 3, then here is a square minus 4a and plus a, it will become minus 3a. Then here is a plus 4 minus 2 plus 1, it means 4 plus 1 is a 5, minus 2 is a, then plus 3, and this is our answer. Okay, so we are trying to solve 4 math based on factorization practice algebraic expression exercise 3.3, and this is very important part for examination. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you. And last 2 part we already solved 1 to 16 math, which you will get in description box. So thank you.